Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. My name is Rush, and today we have a very exciting video for you guys. A video that I get asked about quite a bit. So let's go ahead and take a drive in the Mustang and tell you all about it. Here we go. Alrighty guys, so we made it over to Laguna Beach. A little bit of morning traffic, but nothing too bad. Now we're gonna head up a very steep hill, which I have never been up a steep hill in the Mustang before. So a little nerve-wracking, but we'll get it figured out. I think I'm gonna stay in first gear and just ride it all the way up. I mean, it doesn't look that scary on camera, but in person it's pretty intimidating. Would you look at that? Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna go in first gear. All right, we're going up now. Oh my God, you just see sky as you're going up. That's crazy. I can't even see in front of the car. Can you guys see in front of the car? Oh my God, whoa. Check out this beautiful road. Woo. I love this road. So living up here would definitely be goals, because these houses look like they're small, but they actually extend like 3 to 4 floors off the side of the mountain. So it's absolutely gorgeous. Location's so nice, just kind of far away from the city. I would love to live up here. Let's hope that YouTube money comes in one day. Now check out this view. I want you guys to see this view real fast. Wow. So amazing. Alright guys, so we made it to the top, and as you can see, I love this place for a reason. I mean, check out that view of just that mountainside, and that beautiful blue water in the distance here. So much green going on, absolutely gorgeous. And you got this beautiful thing right here. Not a bad day whatsoever. So let me go ahead and park up and talk about YouTube. Damn, she looks good. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and talk about it. YouTube. Man, I get so many questions every single day of young people that are very curious and interested about YouTube. And it's a great thing, because I was once in your shoes. I was that young guy looking for a way to make it online. And for me, you know, the whole thing with YouTube and the reason I ever started was because of one principle: the freedom of time. Alright guys, I had to come to an area where the wind has calmed down a little bit to talk to you guys. So here we go. Today's topic is pretty much about YouTube. I get a ton of questions from a lot of people, especially young guys that are interested in getting started on YouTube. The questions are usually like things like, how much money do you make? How do I make videos? How did you get started? All that kind of stuff. Now, don't get me wrong, I love helping out and answering those type of questions, but I just don't have the right channel for it here. This is an automotive channel. We talk about cars, we do car related videos, and I just don't want to intertwine the two, because I feel like there might not be enough interest, and it could make the channel a little boring for the guys that are just looking for automotive content. So the next best step was to go ahead and create another channel, one where we can go ahead and talk about being a creator on YouTube, all the stuff that's involved with editing, starting off, you know, making thumbnails, stuff like that. All the stuff that I utilize on a day-to-day basis to create videos, and in return, you know, earn an income off of YouTube. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know that I've started another channel called Rush. The link is in the description if you'd like to sign up. But today's video is not just about that, but it's about how I got started on YouTube and why I do YouTube, you know, and how I pretty much have gotten myself to the point where I'm at today. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Okay, so the first question I want to answer is, how did I get my start on YouTube? This one seems to be a popular one. A lot of people are curious, how did I start? Why did I start? But let's go ahead and talk about how did I start. Well, see, the funny thing is, you guys only see the successful channel that I've created, but there's been a lot of other channels that have come up through the years as I attempted to make a YouTube channel and failed multiple times. So this wasn't the first ever channel that I created. I had multiple channels before. I had one channel that had semi-success, and I ran it through high school. I used to teach people how to do video editing on like Sony Vegas Pro and how to film and do cool like video effects. So that was stuff that I had done kind of through high school as I attempted to get into like the online world of YouTube, and it gave me a little bit of background into like video and film and all that stuff. Also, I was always very passionate about film. From a young age, I used to pick up the family camera and just record like little movies with my friends and edit them and add music and cool effects to them, stuff like that. So just being a creator in general has always kind of been in me. Now, does that have to be the case for you? Not necessarily, because nowadays it's a lot easier and there's a ton of tools out there that help you become a better creator and that kind of, you know, provide you with all the necessary resources that you need. And it's a lot easier now than it was when I was kind of getting into it at a lot younger age. You know, cameras were more expensive, editing software, effects, stuff like that, it wasn't as readily available as it is today. So if you're starting YouTube, it's a very good time to start. There's a lot of resources available and a lot of things that you can take advantage of. You just have to get out there and do it. Okay, so now that I have answered the how I got started, let's talk about the why. So the why. I've worked a lot of 9-to-5 jobs, and to be honest, there was one thing that I strongly believe in, and that is the freedom of time. If you have the freedom of time, to me, you are successful in life, because money can buy a lot of things, but it can't buy your time back. And if you waste time on things, then it's pretty much just wasted, and there's not much you can do about it. So every day I would clock into a 9-to-5, and I would feel like the days were going by. I was doing repetitive work, and I was just not feeling fulfilled. I wasn't serving the purpose, or at least I didn't feel like I was serving a purpose that I was meant for. I could do a lot more, and I just was limited by this 9-to-5. So I started thinking smart, and I decided it was time that I would save up some money and take that risk of not having a 9-to-5 anymore. Now, this concept is probably very scary to a lot of people, because having a steady paycheck has its benefits. You have that peace of mind, you have that comfort in life, and if that is what you're looking for, then look no further. A 9-to-5 is good for you. But on the other hand, if you are someone that is passionate about living a life of fulfillment, of having the freedom to do what you want when you want, then definitely get started doing something that you strongly believe in, something that really makes you happy. And for me, creating videos was that. Being an entrepreneur online was exactly that. It was that freedom of time that I could do my work from wherever, whenever, and I would be able to be in control of my life. Being in control is a very big deal. So, how hard I work dedicates how much I'll make each month. And that pushes me and that drives me to wake up every morning and work harder and smarter towards my goals. So essentially, that's the why. The why is I just wanted the freedom of time. I wanted to be able to be independent and not have to report to a boss or report to a business or a company every single day to work. Now, that's not for everyone, since some people are not very good at managing their time, they're not very good at being productive, so they need that person on top of them. But if you learn to discipline yourself and really apply yourself in the areas where you have strengths, then you will get far in life and you will be able to be successful online. So essentially, that's the why answered. So as I'm leaving this beautiful mountain and this gorgeous view, there's one last thing I wanted to address. See, a lot of people make excuses and reasons not to start something, and I have been a victim of this as well, where I'll sit there and I'll doubt myself and I'll tell myself, when this happens, I'll do it. When I buy a new car, I'll start a channel. When I start working out, I'll start, eating healthy. All these things are stuff that we put into our heads, mentally. It's just a mental barrier that you create for yourself and an excuse that you put to not get started today. So my advice to you guys, if you are really interested in starting a YouTube channel and interested in pursuing a entrepreneur lifestyle, is to get out there and do it. Nothing feels better than just getting out there and doing it yourself, seeing how it is. And if you fail, you fail. You can just try it again. But if you don't attempt it at all and you keep making excuses, there is no end to that. You're just gonna be forever having that doubt in your head. Could I, would have, whatever, all these doubts in your head, could have, should have, kind of a thing. You don't want to be that guy. So get out there, try it out. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then you can go back to your normal job. There's plenty of jobs on this earth, and you know, it's not the end of the world. So don't be scared to take the risk, to take that leap. Just get out there, try it out, and believe in yourself. Most important thing, if you can believe it and you can envision it, then you can make it happen. And that successfully is going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry, I may have rambled on quite a bit, but I really kind of wanted to get this message out there. I wanted you guys to kind of get a little bit of an insight what the new channel is going to be about and the kind of videos that I'll be sharing on it. So thank you so much for checking out this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in these type of videos, check out my other channel in the description below. My name is Rush. I'm at this beautiful view in Laguna Beach, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.